So now let's see how we can work around with the contour tool inside of CorelDRAW. So to do that, let me just go around and bring in a particular shape right here, just like this, as you can see. And let me just go ahead and color as well. So add in a contour. Let me just go for a bright color right here. So to add in a contour to this particular shape, you need to go around over here onto, let's say for example, this section right here. Click on the icon right here, and you can see that contour is an option. So once you go around onto contour, you can go around and click and drag this down inside right here, and you can see that this is what you have. You got the contour of the outer color right here. You can also go around and pull it out around over here as well, or pull it in, pull it out, as you can see right here, just like this. And this is the contour effect that you get right there. Let me just go around and do the same with circle as well. So if I were to go around over here, and let me just go around and change around the outline color as well. So let's just go around and change the outline color to something else right here, just like this, and press OK. You can go around over here onto, let's say for example, the contour tool right here, and click and drag this out, and you can see that that is what you have right here. So you can see that you can simply change out the contour color. You can also go around and change around the color right here, just like this, as you can see of the contour that you have right here. And you can also go around over here and change out the line shape right here by going around onto the top. You can also go around, change around the step of the contour as well. So as I go around, you can see that I can go around and change the level of steps for the contour, and that is what you have as well. So you can go around and change this out right here, just like this, and you utilize this handle to change the number of the contour, just like this as well. So you can have inner contour or center contour right here. You can go for outer contour as well, just like this as well. And you can go around, change around the object right here and the color of the contour as well. You can unlink it and change around the object of the contour right here. And you can go around and change around the color of the contour right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the contour tool inside of CorelDRAW. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.